a couple things that I love about Reactiv Suite. It really kind of breaks down the barriers of distance, and you're really part of my office. See, for instance, if you were watching me right now on Zoom or Teams or whatever platform, you would see right there, you see my face, you see my bookcases behind me. You really get invited into my office, and yet I still have my PowerPoint up there. And that's really what Reactiv Suite allows you to do. It allows you to have the right setup, because I can interact with the customer. I can put whatever PowerPoint I want up here, whatever documents I want up here. Say I got some contracts, say I got diagrams, I can put them up there, and I can sit here and I can write all over them, and I can make changes. That's powerful. And the fact that then I change the screen, I come back, and it still stays right there. This makes it much more engaged and much easier for people on the other end to interact with me. Because you notice from here, you're looking at me really from about the belly button up on the screen. It gives me more life with you, and the message resonates. That's why I think when we look at the future of selling, you have to have the ability to be using Reactiv Suite.